In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create tracking links for your Gumroad stores, so this way you can track where the traffic is coming from a specific link. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So just go to Analytics right here at this left sidebar menu and then go to Links. Now in my case, I have no links, so to create the first one, go to this button and now you can enter a name for this link. So this will be only for yourself, for example, new Instagram campaign, then the destination of your store where you want to send the traffic. Now we got the link, we can customize it and we can copy it. Now we can add a specific source, so just enter whatever you want, for example Instagram, or put the name of the person that is going to share this link. Remember, this is only for yourself, so this way you can track where the traffic is coming from. For example, in this case, Instagram. The medium, let's say we are going to share this campaign at Instagram stories. The name of the campaign, again, this can be anything you want. For example, Black Friday. The term, which is the keyword used in ads. This is just a test, so you can fill all this information with the real information about your campaign. And all these fields are optional, so you don't really need to fill all of them if you don't want to. Then click add link, and right here you will see the link and all the information. If we click there, we will see this statistics page where we can see the clicks, the sales, the revenue, the conversion rate, and you can also edit or delete this link whenever you want. So that's it. That's how you can create a tracking link on your Gumroad store. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.